If you are watching this video, then it's possible that you have fallen victim of being caught using ChatGPT to do assignments or work research. Anyways, if these articles or essays are run in a plagiarism checker, then you would be in trouble because the plagiarism checker is going to detect that you used ChatGPT, then you would probably lose a job or get in trouble. Let's say I wanted to write a 250 words article on how technology has impacted the society. This article can be easily detected by AI. However, I have found a solution for you, which would prevent your boss, teachers, and even the plagiarism checker from knowing that the article was AI generated. And that is by using this website called undetectable.ai. Before you do anything, you have to create an account with your email and provide a password. Then you verify your email. Once you are done with that, you are good to go. Head over to ChatGPT and copy the article or essay you have written. Then you go back to the website and paste. Then you are left with 3 options: more readable, balanced, and more human. You are going to have to click more human. Once you are done, you then click Humanize. Don't forget to agree to the terms and conditions. This website is going to transform the article and give you a more human form of the article, which would be difficult for the plagiarism checker to detect. Also, one of the best ways to actually use ChatGPT to write an essay is by writing it out by yourself and giving ChatGPT to help you improve the essay. This way, no sort of error or instance of plagiarism would be detected by any plagiarism checker or AI. I recommend trying the second method because it's safer and has lower or no chance of you being accused of plagiarism. If you want to learn more stuffs about AI and tech, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you wouldn't miss a video when I upload it. Bye and thanks for watching.